everyone, greetings to all. In this video, I would like to take about two pressure valve using in a hydraulic system. Why we are going for a two pressure valve? Nowadays, humans are basically not concentrating in his works. In a hydraulic system application industries, they are operating a valves in a single hand only, and another hand they are using a mobile phone or gadgets, and they are concentrating on the inner activities. Because of that, they are facing the accidents. To avoid these accidents, in this hydraulic system we are providing a two pressure valve. With the help of two hands only, the system has to be actuated and they have to complete the work. This is the reasons for producing the two pressure valve. How two pressure valve works? Basically, the two pressure valves works behind the unlogic system. We have studied about the various logic gates like an OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, etc. So this two pressure valve works under the unlogic. What is an unlogic and how it's imported in the two pressure valve? Let's see. Unlogic. In terms of basics, unlogics, to perform this unlogic, we needed two inputs to produce an output. Let's consider as an X as an input 1 and Y as an input 2 to produce a Z as an output. If we have a two inputs, means we have a four combinations of systems. Whenever the two inputs are disabled, it indicates as a 0 and 0. If input 1 is enabled, it indicates 1, and input 2 is disabled, it indicates 0. The another combination is input 1 is disabled and the output 2 is enabled, and final combination is both the inputs are enabled. This is the four combination. Based on these four combinations, the AND gate produces the logic. What is the logic behind the AND gate means? If both the inputs are enabled only, the output is going to enable. This is the basic logic. If any one of the input is enabled also, it does not produce the output. Only both the inputs are enabled only, the output can produce. So, if based on this logic, first combination is disabled, and second combination also disabled, and third combination also disabled, and fourth combination we have both the inputs are activated, so the output will produce. This is the basic logic behind the AND gate. This AND gate logic is going to present in the two pressure valve. So let's see the symbol of two pressure valve. In two pressure valve, we have a two pressure line. In between that, we have a spool. This is the symbol of two pressure valve, otherwise called as an AND valve. AND valve. This is input 1, this is input 2. So in between this, here we are going to take an output. Out. So consider this line as an input fluid line and this line also input fluid line. First we have to see the first combination, like both the inputs are disabled. Here fluid is not supplied, here also fluid is not supplied, means there is a no fluid, means the output is also not supplied. So output is also 0. If you go in with a second combinations, the first input is enabled. If the first input is enabled, the second input is 0. Here fluid is not supplied. So So no need to do this. Here fluid is supplied means the fluid enters into this fluid line and the fluid passes like this. It will push this spool towards this end. If we push the spool means the spool will arrested in this block. The spool going to arrested in the block. So there is a no way to pass the fluid. So there is a no fluid supply towards the out. Okay. This spool going to arrested in this line. So if arrested means there is a no fluid to supply there towards the output. This is the second combination. And considered as the third combination, it is the vice versa of second combination. Here input is 0, here input is 1 means here there is a no fluid supply. Here only the fluid going to supply. The fluid will supply here. It will create more pressure and it pushes this spool towards this block, and the spool blocks this. Spool will engage with this block and the fluid is not supplied towards the out. So the output is also here also 0. If considered as the fourth combination, both the input is enabled. So here also fluid supply, here also fluid supply. Both the ends the fluid supply means here we have a pressure P1, here we have a pressure P2. Both the pressures are equal means the spool will stable in a valve. So here the fluid enters like this and here also the fluid enters like this. So the fluid will passes the outlet and it will produce the out to actuate the cylinder in the hydraulic system. So this is the basic mechanism carried out in the two pressure valve. By using the two pressure valve, how the safety system of hydraulic system is designed in an industry, I am going to explain. Let us consider this drilling operations which is going to operate in an industry like machining industries. Sorry. This is in a single acting cylinder. With a spring return mechanism. At the end of the piston we have a drill bit. Here we place the workpiece to drill. Here I want to drill. This is an input port. In this port I am going to supply the fluid. In this port only I am going to supply the fluid through unvalve. This is an unvalve. So this is the output of the unvalve. I am going to connect the input to this unvalve. Input 1 and 2 unvalve with the help of 3/2 DCV. DCV means direction control valve. It has 3 directions with the 2 ports. The DCV can operate it with a solenoid actuator, pilot operator, or push button or lever operator like that. I am here going to use the push button operated DCV with the spring return mechanism. So this is the DCV 3/2 DCV. 3/2 DCV direction control valve. This direction control valve is connected with a medium of fluid, hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic means liquids. Mostly we are using a hydraulic fluids as a hydraulic fluid medium, liquid medium. This hydraulic pump is connected with a motor. Whenever we turn on the motor, the hydraulic fluid pumps through a system and it's segregated to the 2 inputs. If you press the push button here, Here the position will, this right position will disengage and the left position will engage, and the fluid passes through this system, and the input of the one will enable, and the fluid enters into the unwall in this left side. The spool will arrested in the block, so the fluid not going with the inside the actuator, so the actuator doesn't actuate. So same kind, if not press the push button here, only push the second input, second digit of this push button. So here this position will disengage and this right position will engage, the fluid enters into the input 2, and the spool engaged with the blocks, and the fluid not enter, the cylinder is not actuated. If two push button is pressed, means this push button also pressed, this push button also pressed, means here also the fluid going to enter, here also the fluid going to enter. So if both the side fluid enter, means the pressure will be equal. So the spool will float inside the float shuttle valve, and the fluid goes like this, and the fluid enters into the actuator. The actuator will be extended towards the workpiece, and the workpiece will be drilled. After releasing the push button, the fluid enter will be stopped. Due to the spring motion, it will be retracted. So this is the basic applications developed for the drilling machine, mainly considering the safety precautions of the labor who handle the drilling. So with the help of two push button, means we needed two hands to press the two push buttons. So applying this mechanism, we avoid accidental causes during the machining. Thank you.